What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel, Jess4TV. I am your favorite cousin, Jess, and today we're getting spooky. Let's decorate the Jeep Wrangler for All Hallows Eve, cousin. Alright, cousin, that is it for the Halloween decorations on the Jeep Wrangler. Make sure you guys tag me on Instagram or just DM me some pictures of your decorated Jeep Wrangler for All Hallows Eve because I'm trying to get spooky with you, cousin. Thank you guys so much for hanging with me and decorating my Jeep Wrangler today for Halloween. And of course, you already know, cousin, if you're a real one, then I will be seeing you in my next one. Peace, y'all.